Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Bonito. I bring the power of Umami to your table. Today, we are making Somen Noodles, one of Japan's most refreshing summer dishes. Somen are very thin Japanese wet noodles. They cook in just a couple of minutes, and when served cold with a flavorful dipping sauce, they are light, smooth, and incredibly refreshing. But here's the secret. Somen itself is very simple, so the real deliciousness comes from the dipping sauce. And of course, the key is dashi. A good somen dipping sauce is not just salty. It has depth, aroma, and a clean umami flavor that makes you want to take another bite. Today, I'll show you how to make a simple but delicious somen dipping sauce using the power of Bonito flakes. Let's get started. Make the dipping sauce. First, let's make the dipping sauce. In a small saucepan, add mirin and bring it to a gentle boil. This helps cook off the alcohol and gives the sauce a mellow sweetness. Then add soy sauce and dashi. Bring it to just a simmer, adding the Katsuobushi, then turn off the heat. Dr. Bonito's Umami tip, Oi Gatsuo. Here is today's Dr. Bonito Umami tip. In Japan, we have a technique called Oi Gatsuo. Oi means to add more, and Gatsuo comes from Katsuobushi or Bonito flakes. So, Oi Gatsuo means adding extra Bonito flakes at the end to bring out a fresh, elegant Bonito aroma. After you make the dipping sauce with dashi, soy sauce, and mirin, turn off the heat. Then add a small handful of Bonito flakes and let them steep for about 1 minute. Stir in the sauce, let it cool, and chili it well. This final touch makes the sauce deeper, more aromatic, and more satisfying. It is a simple step, but it makes a big difference. That is the power of Bonito. Let the sauce cool completely. You can also chill it in the refrigerator. Cold dipping sauce makes somen taste even more refreshing. Cook the somen. Next, let's cook the somen. Bring plenty of water to a boil. Add the somen noodles and gently stir so they don't stick together. Somen cooks very quickly, usually in about 1.5 to 2 minutes, so don't walk away. When the noodles are cooked, drain them immediately. Now, this step is very important. Rinse the noodles under running cold water and gently rub them with your hands. This removes the surface starch and gives the noodles a clean, smooth texture. Then chill them in ice water. Drain well before serving. Serve. Place the cold somen in a bowl filled with icy cold water. Pour the chilled dipping sauce into a small cup. Add your favorite toppings. I like green onion and grated ginger for a simple, refreshing flavor. Pick up a small portion of the noodles, dip them into the sauce, and enjoy. So light, so smooth, and full of umami. This is why somen is loved in Japan during the hot summer months. It fills your body, but the dashi gives it a satisfying depth. You can also serve somen with shredded boiled chicken breast, crab sticks, or a thin omelette cut into fine strips. Cucumbers and tomatoes are also great choices, adding freshness, color, and making the dish even more satisfying. When a dish is simple, the quality of the dish makes all the difference. Bonito flakes bring a savory aroma and clean umami that turn plain noodles into something truly delicious. So, remember, simple food is not boring when mommy is working behind the scenes. I'm Dr. Bonito. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe for more umami tips straight from Japan. See you next time.